guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag. I asked you guys on my Instagram what bag you wanted to see between the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette and the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus. Guys voted for the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, and I'm so excited to do this video for you guys because I've been using this bag and loving it. So if you're wondering what's in my multi-pochette from Louis Vuitton, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I just want to say sorry for the lighting. It might go brighter, it might go a little bit dimmer. I'm just trying to use natural light that's in my room. So sorry for that if it happens, but here is my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. I love this bag so much. I recently got this bag about a month ago, I want to say, and I have been loving it so much. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I packed this little baby. In the front pocket is I put my phone in there usually. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I put that in the front pocket, or I'll put like a couple credit cards sometimes or receipts. But for the most part, I like to have my phone separate from the back bag of the multi-pochette because it's easy access. But yeah, this front pouch of this bag is so handy, and I thought it was a lot smaller until I got it in person, and it's like a perfect size. So I really like this front pocket. And then in the back pocket there's the pochette, and let me show you the size. Okay, so this is the back pouch, and it is a lot bigger than I thought as well. I'm so happy for that because it fits a lot. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is my little perfume. This is the Bath & Body Works Waikiki Beach Coconut. Guys, this is the best smelling perfume for summer. It is just so like beach vibes and sweet at the same time. It's just really good. So if you're at Bath & Body Works, try this out because it is so good. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a hair tie. I always have to bring a hair tie because I can never last more than a couple hours without my hair being up. My hair is just so long and crazy sometimes, so I just like to throw it up. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my Burt's Bees chapstick. I love this chapstick. It's my favorite, all-time favorite. I've been using it since literally high school, so love that chapstick. And that chapstick is like that tingly feeling. It's just the best. Okay, so the next thing is I'm pulling out hand sanitizer. Always have to have sanitizer with me. I'm a germaphobe. I just don't like touching things, and yeah, I just need hand sanitizer all the time with me. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my little hand lotion. I got this from Whole Foods, and it's a really good cream. Especially in the winter, my hands get so dry, and I just hate that like feeling of, you know, the dry hand feeling. So always have to have hand lotion with me. And I forgot to show you, but there's a big compartment, also a back compartment. So everything that I just pulled out was stored in the back compartment of this little pochette. So just to let you know. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my wallet. I recently just got this wallet and I have an unboxing on my channel, so go check it out if you didn't see it already. But yeah, this is my Chanel card holder. It is so beautiful, and the camera is really not doing it justice with the coloring. It is more of a deep kind of purple, but it is so beautiful, and I have really been loving using this so far, so I totally recommend this. I even still have the little sticker on the gold Chanel logo. I don't want to take it off. I hate taking like the stickers off the metal parts of my bags. I always try to keep them as much as I can until they're like peeling off. But the next thing that I have is my all-time favorite key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I love this thing so much. It's so versatile, and right now I have, I think, cash. So right now I just have some cash in here, but I usually keep my like loyalty cards in here. I use this as a coin purse. This is so versatile. I even use this as like a little mini wallet sometimes. You probably have heard all the ways that I could use this if you have been following me. But yeah, I love this little pouch. It is just so fun and versatile, and yeah, I totally recommend this 100%. So I love this bag as well because it also comes with a little round coin purse that's also detachable. You could take this off or you could keep it on, but you can have the option of taking it off, which is so cool because I've always wanted a round coin purse from Louis Vuitton and it was always sold out. And then one day when I was looking on their website, it totally like left the website. I don't know where it went. I texted my essay and she says, yeah, it's so hard to get, so I wasn't sure if they discontinued it or not. So I'm so glad that this bag came with the round coin purse, and I love it even more than the original one because it has the big monogram on the front, and then when you turn it, it has the cute little mini monogram, and it's just so adorable. And I love the zipper on this because it opens pretty wide. What I'm storing in here are pieces of gum. So this is just, you know, little something where you can put your stuff in. I tried to put a credit card in here and it didn't fit. But yeah, this is just a little mini pocket that you could put gum in. You could put hair ties, you could put little bobby pins. Just something that is like quick and easy that you know that you're gonna be using throughout the day. A chapstick could fit in here. But yeah, I just love this little feature of the bag as well. And it gives that bag that cool, just a cool vibe to it. I just really like it. That is everything in this little pouch. I love this bag so much. I love how you can detach everything and use the strap for a different bag, or you could detach one of the smaller pochette and use this as like a nighttime clutch because it has this gold chain detailing, which gives the bag such a chic and just gorgeous look to it. I just love this bag so much and definitely recommend it. This bag is like 2 in 1 bag and it has so many ways that you can use it, so the price is well worth it. Even after it did that little jump, after they knew it was going to be a total hit, I would definitely still buy it because it comes with a strap that is detachable that you can use on other bags. You have these 2 little pouches and you could use it as a day kind of bag or a knit kind of bag. So I definitely recommend this and I cannot recommend it enough. This is my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, and that was everything that I have in there. I just bring my daily essentials in this bag when I'm running errands for the day. You can't really fit a lot because I've noticed that if you stuff it too much, it will start distorting the zipper. So just keep that in mind. It's like a daily essentials kind of bag, but it's so cool and just it pairs with everything. You could dress this bag up and down, so I totally recommend this bag. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I had so much fun filming it as always, and yeah, I have been loving this bag so much and bringing it every day. I usually switch off that bag and my YSL Lulu bag, but that bag is just so cool. I love the different straps that Louis Vuitton brought out with that. It's so different from like the original straps. They're all leather, but they came out with the fabric strap and I cannot be any happier with that strap. It is just so easy, so comfortable, and yeah, I definitely recommend this bag. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all our new subbies here, and thank you for your comments. They are so sweet and they will always be special to me. I love hearing you guys and I love connecting with you guys. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, I will leave my name on the screen. Please go follow me there. I tell you guys when I'm gonna upload, and I give you like a little sneak peek preview before I upload a video. So it is so much fun there. I just want to grow there and be more active like I have been, posting more pictures and everything. So go follow me there. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.